I'm at the Dargah of Haji Abdur Rahman Shah Baba. This young boy, he's giving iftar to everybody. He's doing a very good job. All the poor people, he's helping them open the iftar. What is your name? Uzair Fruit. Okay. So, I am at Haji Abdur Rahman Shah Baba's Dargah. It's a very iconic Dargah, Qadri Silsila. And I've been shooting the Dargah is shut because of the lockdown and the pandemic. So it's one of the most peaceful place and a very important Sufi destination. It's a very important Sufi destination. And it was here. This is the Dargah for Haji Abdur Rahman Shah Baba, Sufi saint. And the Dargah is shut because of the lockdown and the pandemic. You can see it. Today is 21st Ramadan. इधर है क्या? वो छोड़ दिया उनको आप? उनको छोड़ दिया क्या? नासिर भाई को? क्या हुआ? घर में पड़े हैं। अच्छा। बाकी सब ठीक है? हाँ। चलो घर में चलेंगे? हाँ? चलेंगे घर में? नहीं अभी तबीयत मेरी ठीक नहीं है यार। नहीं आऊँगा, मैं आऊँगा वापस आऊँगा। जी। हाँ नहीं चल पाऊँगा, मैं चल के आ रहा हूँ बहुत। दैट इज़ द लोबान। If you come to Dongri, this is one Dargah that you have to visit, whether you're a Muslim, Hindu or anybody. This is a place which is for everybody. It is the door to peace. It is the door to prosperity, and I have been documenting this Dargah for many years now. I have been documenting. Hi Gopya, how are you? I don't know how I have reached here, but I just came. So this is the Dargah. Now from here I shall go home. या वारिस पिया, आप आए थे क्या छड़ियों में मेरे साथ? छड़ियों में आए थे आप? मैं नहीं था। अच्छा नहीं कम शकल है वो है। अच्छा नहीं मैं छड़ियों में चला था। मैं खलीफा हूँ मदरिया। और बाबा आपका नाम क्या है? मोहम्मद गुलजार वारसी। ही इज फ्रॉम वारिस पाक, वारिस पिया। I thought I had walked with him from Delhi to Ajmer, but he says no. So this is it. I can't answer for them. I really can't answer for them, Mumbai, Gopya. But I think it's because, okay, now I have a very interesting person. I'm going to talk. I have a very, very interesting person. मेरे को भूल गया आप, मेरे को भूल गया। हम याद रखें। नहीं आप भूल गया मेरे को। आओ उधर आओ जरा। उधर से देखा मैंने, वहीं बैठे थे। अच्छा आओ इधर। ओके फ्रेंड्स, Now I want to introduce you to a person from the. He is a Sada Suhagin. He is. इधर आइए ना, अंदर आइए. He is Sada Suhagin. आपका क्या 100 साल है आप? 110. He is 110 years old. He is 110 years old. And he is an amazing guy. I've been known him for many years. Now see, the Sada Suhagin or Musa Suhagin are people that dress up like women, but they are not transgender, mind you. They are not. They are spiritual. आपके जो बाबा है वो सूरत में है कि अहमदाबाद में? सदा सुहागिन बाबा. सदा सुहागिन सूरत में, अहमदाबाद. हाँ, बापू ने कहा. अच्छा, आप किस उम्र से आपने बैठ ली है? 10 साल. He was 10 years old. Mind you, he was 10 years old and he joined the Sada Suhagin Silsila. He is my oldest friend and I am so happy to see him. कुछ बोलिए ज़रा, आप लोगों को ज़रा कुछ दीजिए. क्या बोलूँ? बोलो आप. नहीं बोलिए कि भाई आप लोग सुखी रहो, आप लोग खुश रहो, आबाद रहो, तंदुरुस्त रहो. अल्लाह आप लोगों की भी उम्र दराज करे, खैर और बरकत, तंदुरुस्त हर सहबला से अल्लाह महफूज रखे. खुश रहो, आबाद रहो. So they are known as Sada Suhagin and also known as Musa Suhagin. He is 110 years old and he sits outside the Dargah of Haji Abdul Rahman Shah Baba at Dongri. I don't know how I have come here. I walked from Bandra to Mahim, and at Mahim I sat down at a bus stop. I have got this heart problem, and all of a sudden I saw a bus, and I went into it, and I landed up at Dongri. और बाबा सब ठीक है. अभी आप रुकना चाह रहे हैं, जाना नहीं, आपका इंटरव्यू लेना है. अभी टेक अ सेपरेट इंटरव्यू ऑफ हिज. सो दिस इज द दरगाह ऑफ हाजी अब्दुल रहमान शाह बाबा, Dongri. Thank you, Kef. I'm very happy. I prayed for you that you get success. I prayed to the Holy Saint that you, your father, your uncle Imran Bhai, he takes care of all of you all. You all have been my great support. You all have been helping me a lot. And this is the Dargah. It is locked up now. As you can see, it is locked up now. But this is one of the most famous dargahs in Mumbai, in Dongri. This is Haji Abdul Rahman Shah Baba Qadri. हाँ कर दिया सोहेल मैंने आपको. And coming here is amazing. I have been shooting the Urus also, and the people here are also very nice. They don't have any. I have a guru. His name is Nasir Bhai Rafai. He is in charge of Hisamuddin Baba Dargah. The Dargah is shut, and Nasir Bhai is not well. So here I am. This is an amazing dargah, and it is here I met the Sada Suhagin. His name is Muhammad Ramzan Shah Sayyid Usman Shah. This is him. हमारे वालिद का और हमारा नाम है सैयद रमजान शाह. He is 110 years old and he belongs to the Sada Suhagin Silsila. These are men, heterosexual male, and they dress up like women, but they are not transgender, mind you. They are spiritual. This is their spiritual following. They are saying you should dress up as a woman. And his dargah is in Ahmedabad. I hope to visit it one day. But that is the only part. That is the one place I have not visited as yet. I've been documenting the Siddhis. I've been documenting Kalandris. I've been documenting Rafai. I am a Malak from the Madariya Silsila. I am a Khalifa also. So, and the Chishtiya, I have, and the Banwas. But Sada Suhagin is somebody, Sada Suhagin is a silsila that I'm really interested in. It is a very unique silsila. And this gentleman, I've known him for many years, though he says he's 110 years old. So I shall end up now and I will take his video.